YouTube. So I've been working here on my light kit that I got in. It's a 4 front LED and 4 back LED. And so what I wanted to show y'all was just how I did my hose. So I got one hole left to do, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. So what I got here is a thumbtack pick, and that's to start my hole. And at Harbor Freight they have this tool for $3. If you use the 20% coupon, you get it for like $2.50, $2.50. And what this tool is, it's the let me go get the tag. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So what this tool is at Harbor Freight, the T-handler reamer. So I'll show y'all how I did that. I get the thumbtack. So I want my hole right here. I'm gonna go ahead and center it where I want my hole. And be careful not to poke yourself. Get my hole started. Go ahead and remove the thumbtack. And with this tool, you just go ahead and slowly just start twisting it. Don't just force it in. You want the tool to actually be the one making the hole. And after a while, you'll start hearing it cut. I don't know if y'all could hear that. So I was cutting away that plastic. You know, when I did my first one, I didn't know how far to go at first, but it actually leaves a little bit of plastic residue, and you'll kind of know where to stop after you do a couple. It's always good still to double check to make sure you don't go too far. So right there, just twist back, and I'll go ahead and double check it. And you can see my hole made there. Here's my hole, nice clean hole. So you get here your insert. So I'm gonna get my insert here and check it. Still a little more. So you get the tool back in there, cut away. Just always remember, you don't want to go too much. It's a little tight. I could still give it another 1 or 2 more turns. Right there, that should be good. There goes my insert. So back here, gonna get my washer and my nut. My washer and my nut. Get that started. Now carefully, this is where I carefully got some needle nose pliers. I'm just tighten it up with the needle noses. You never wanna over tighten something. Just till it's snug. And wherever you feel like placing your hose at, it's all on you. This is totally custom, up to your liking. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You know, it's a hobby. It's for fun. Nice and tight there. Give it one more little twist. That should be good. So now I got the one I worked on right there. And this is how they look on the inside. And now, let me go and show you how they look on the truck. Got my truck here, it's a Stampede. Gonna go ahead and plug it in so I can see which ones are my front and which ones are my back. And later on, once I tape everything down, I'll go ahead and give you a little test run outside. Once I get everything taped down or glued down, however you would like to do it. So that would be my front. And let me get my back. Now on these lights, you push them in until they snap, and you can also add glue over these so they don't come out. It's all up to you how you handle your truck. If you take jumps and you know, going fast, you might want to add a little glue over all of this to protect it better, to make sure that it doesn't come out. So that's how it goes, and this is how it looks, y'all. Go ahead and turn off these lights. One of my rear lights fell out. Let me try to get that back in there. Yeah, I still haven't snapped them in place. Oh, now these both fell out. Sorry about the video, y'all. Just I still haven't snapped them in place because I want to make sure when I do that, you know, all my wires are straight and stuff. I'm just showing y'all really quick. Kind of hard because I'm just gently placing them in there. So, but you know, you get the idea. I'll get it right here. Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulties, y'all. I'm just, this is actually my first light kit that I've done myself, so. I mean, they're only falling out because I didn't snap them in place yet. Once I get them in there, they ain't gonna be going nowhere. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time, actually. I put one in, the other one keeps falling out. I should have probably ended the video and restarted it, but it's alright. If y'all are still watching. It's really not that difficult, just like I said. I just haven't snapped them in place, so they're just kind of gently pushed in there, and all that moving I did to them really knocked them out. Alright, so that's how it looks, y'all. I got four lights there, one on top of each other. I decided to go like that. I was gonna put it down here on the bumper, and I thought, nah, it kind of looked kind of odd to me. So as you can see, I got four lights there. It looks really cool. And the front, I went ahead and went like that with them. Pretty cool to me. I was gonna put them in the center, and like I said, you still can. I could re-drill some holes as long as I don't put glue. I could always move them around, but honestly, I like them right there. They look pretty good. Looks pretty good. So that's the light it's giving me. A lot of light. Look at that. A lot of light. It's gonna look good in the street. It's gonna look good in the street. They're really pointing in the right direction. And yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. That's my Stampede there. The light kit, giving out all that light. The back, go ahead and giving out all that light there. And that's a little look right there of it, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and edit this video in later on. Once I get everything in place, I'll go ahead and take it outside, give it a little ride. So that's how it looks, y'all. Pretty cool. And that's my LED kit. LED light kit really gives your truck a nice realistic look, and also you can see in the dark when you're out there cruising it around, bashing around. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live there. That's how I went ahead and did it. I'm gonna go in my recording here. Later on, I'll edit in a video of me cruising it. Thanks for watching, man. Peace. Alright, y'all, so I got everything cleaned up there. Little walk around. Give it a few passes for y'all. Alright, so that's what my LED light kit's looking like. I'm still thinking of throwing a light bar on there. Put a light bar on the right on there. Pretty cool. Like I said, you could always customize it. Always switch it around. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm happy with it. And as long as, you know, keep our scene. Stay safe, y'all. And peace out. Thanks for watching.